Traffic signs. Turn left. Turn right. Ahead only. Bend to left. Bend to right. Don't turn left. Don't turn right. Maximum speed. Minimum speed. One-way traffic. Two-way traffic. Parking. No parking. No entry. No waiting. No stopping. No motor vehicles. No cycling. Uneven road. Hump. Slippery road. Roadworks. Wild animals. Falling rocks. Crossroad ahead. Road narrows on the both sides. Pedestrian crossing ahead. No pedestrians. No overtaking. Roundabout ahead. Stop. Wait. Go. Horn prohibited. Length limit. Weight limit. No U-turn. No heavy vehicles. Merge.